Hello guys, good morning, good evening. My name is Stella and today we have some special colored lenses to unbox together, and this package is from Myeyebb. We got a lot, but this is part 2. You can watch the rest of the parts here. Today we got these 4 colors. Are you ready? So I have been working with Myeyebb for quite some time now. It's one of my favorite companies. All their lenses are yearly, at least the ones we're going to see today, which means they're good for 12 months from opening. And of course, I got a code for you. It's Stella20 if you want to get 20% off your order, or Stella by itself for buy 1, buy 2 and get 2 for free. So happy shopping, but stay with me so that we can see these colors. This is what their boxes look like, super cute. I got the LA Girl line and the Fox's Eye in gray. So let's start from the other one out. The diameter on this is 14.2, and this is what it looks like. Let's try them on. Before I open the pack, they will also send you their boxes. They look like this. You can see what color of lens is inside. I usually just write down the month I opened them and what color they are, just so that I, keep it somehow organized. I'm going to be using some tools to put them in. Oh, this is my natural eye color. Alright, let's change it now. Oh, mistake. So this is a side to side. I think this is really pretty. Once again, this is Fox's Eye in gray. Okay, this is both of them in. Let me give you a shot in daylight, which is not day anymore technically, but in natural light. Now from this gray, let's move to the next gray, which is the LA Girl gray. And let me take it off. This is what it looks like. Let me note over here that you can get yours with power. Mine are with 0 power because 20/20 vision. So they also come with power if you need it for your eyes. This honestly looks very interesting. Ooh. So this is it side to side. And that's both of them in. Super comfortable, I have to say. Nice. Alrighty now, let's go to LA Green. Ooh, this gives a little yellow. It's probably gonna write really good on brown eyes. Let's see. That is the comparison. Save your tears for another day. This is both of them in. Really, really good colors. I think they can look really natural. What you think, guys? Let me show you them in daylight. It's good. Right. And now we're left with the blue one, LA Girl Blue. Once again, the diameter is 14.2. This is what the lens in the box look like. Ooh, this looks so pretty. I can see like a gray limbo ring, blue, like very light blue in the middle, and then an olive color around the iris. I love this one. So this is side to side. And that's both of them in. I'm honestly vibing with this so much. Yeah, I like it. I like it. It's crazy how, you know, your eye color can just make you look completely different if you change it. And I saw a comment on one of my previous videos that it's like my eye, baby, my eye, but better. I don't know if that's actually like what it is, but it's really smart. So your eyes, but better with some color, some more character. Let me give you a daylight shot of this, and I'll be right back. So let me just tell you one more time that my code Stella20 gives you 20% off your entire order. And if you buy two, you can use my code Stella and get 2 more pairs for free. And yes, with that being said, go check out the other videos. Thank you so much for watching. Happy shopping. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!